Very good afternoon to all of you. So first, I would like to welcome you on the behalf. So first, I would like to welcome you all on the behalf of Department of Computer Science, Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. I would like to welcome Principal Dr. R. Kumbhar sir, and thank you sir as you granted permission to conduct this 6 days session. I also welcome our young and dynamic personality HOD, Dr. Vishal Bhagmare sir. So, as you know, the sudden outbreak of a deadly disease, COVID-19, caused by coronavirus, shook the entire world. The WHO declared it as pandemic. This situation challenged the education system across the world and forced educators to shift online mode of education. So we have accepted it as a new opportunity and we decided to organize the webinars of eminent personalities expertise in various sectors of computer field. So they are from the different nations such as US, France, Australia, and Kenya. So I welcome them also. As the first year students are newly admitted to our college, I would like to share something about computer science department. So every year we, the Department of Computer Science, organize various activities, different competitions, seminars of experts, seminars of alumni to enhance the skill and to get acquainted with new technologies available in computer science field. So friends, we are doing also in-house development of software and web application. So in the department itself, our student develop activity portal for college where each and every department has provided one login ID and password. So when they can upload their activities during month, during week to that particular portal, so IQSC get it centralized. So our students have been developed this one. So we have developed student tracking system for the library. So what it does, here we can track students and faculty members. We can find how many times students and faculty visited the library and for what purpose. So we again developed student feedback system. So which was appreciated by UGC Autonomous Committee. They have taken soft copy, hard copy of this system with them. And many more things we have done. Okay. So our students are also helping various departments to design departmental blogs. So right now all departments are having blogs on website. So they upload their activities, their syllabus, their question papers on that particular blog. So these blogs are designed by our students. Apart from this, we conducted different courses in association with IIT Mumbai. We conducted faculty development program with IIT Mumbai in the month of April. Near about 400 teachers from different states enrolled for this. One more thing, sir. Last year we have international student. This year also we have one international admission. So this Miss Loela Imi, she is from Burundi. She has taken admission for this year. So this is all about our department. So what we did and what we do. So now I want to introduce our principal, today's resource person, Dr. R. Kumbhar sir. He is renowned principal in the region of Shivaji University. He has worked as the principal of various colleges in Satara, Sangli, and Kolhapur district. He has worked as the chairman of various committees. He is also a member of Senate and BOS. He has also won a number of awards for his contribution in different fields of activities. He always motivates us to do different innovative things. So once again, I welcome you, sir. And now I would like to request Dr. Wagmare, sir, to welcome him by offering a bouquet as a token of love. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I request Principal sir to share some views with our students. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to all students from first year to third year for this computer science subject and all faculty members, those who are present here. Okay, according to the schedule given by your head of the department, I think the topic allotted to me is basics of statistics. Yes, statistical computing. Instead of going in details of that, I just give you what are the important features of the subject statistics. Friends, as statistics is a very applied subject, one can use it everywhere in day to day life. So it is the some of the mathematics or mathematicians says that statistics is a branch of mathematics. But actually that is not the case. Statistics definitely may be a branch of mathematics, but to solve any problem in related to mathematics, you need to know only formula. But in statistics, to solve the problem, along with the formula, you should have some common sense. And this is the major difference in the statistics and mathematics. Very simple things we can solve by using some tools which are also very simple, which are known as the statistical tools. Statistics is a mathematical science, no doubt, but it is used to collect information, to analyze it, to interpret it, explanation, presentation of data, also with prediction and forecasting based on data. Statistics form a key basis tool in business and manufacturing as well. It is used in understanding measurement system, variability, control process, for summarizing data and to make data driven decisions. So some fields of industry we have to apply statistics also. Actually, related to day life, one can use statistics to solve very simple problems where the mathematics can't do anything. Today, statistics is widely applied in government also, in business and natural and social sciences. Statistical methods are applied in all fields that involve decision making for making accurate inferences from a collected body of data and for making decisions in the face of uncertainty based on statistical methodology. Now, in your mind, those who are students from computer science, maybe you have a question why this statistic subject is compulsorily attached to your course. But friends, as you are going to develop your mind to solve certain problems using computer, you need one important thing that is already I have told, which is a common sense. So if you are statistician, then you can develop a algorithm very easily, because thinking of a statistic person is very different as compared with the other persons, maybe mathematics, maybe physics, or maybe any other subject. And based on this only, one can identify the way to solve the problems, and hence one can use the statistics where the complications are there. And that is one of the reason that I am here today. Because basically, a fellow from statistics working in this field nearly about last 35 years and tried to solve the many problems in different colleges, and also related to the colleges those who are affiliated to Shivaji University Kolhapur. Actually, what statistics can give you? Statistics is a subject, when you study it, when you learn it, definitely you become a good human, which is not easy in today's lifestyle. Nowadays, the number of students or number of persons, those who are interested in business, they want to develop their business. They also may be interested in some investment in stock market, and at that time, to understand very easily what about the future of the certain share in the market, he can use the very simple tool of statistics, which is known as graph. So similarly, in stock market, graphs are used to determine the profits margin of stocks. There is always a graph showing how prices and have changed over time. Unemployment figures, inflation, exchange rates, global warming statistics, etc. So, in day to day life, where we easily use the statistics. Now, very simple, when you are becoming very weak and your HB count may come down, at that time, to test the HB or to come to the conclusion of any disease, doctor may take blood test, and depending on that blood test report, he can come to the conclusion which treatment or what type of medicines he has to give to a certain patient. So this means there are a number of examples in your life where you can use statistics. To test blood, you have to use the sampling technique. When some explosive material is there, then also sampling is one of the way to test how it is good or bad. And hence, the sampling has very important role. Now, just before 2 years or just before 1 year, assembly election was there. At that time, number of TV channels They have shown us there is no any party which has the approved number to lead the government or form the government. So that means how it is possible they can take the interview in the different area of the state and then come to the conclusion. There also they apply the statistics, and it is done by the good sampling methods. Another simple example, when in the rainy season the total roads are totally damaged, at that time after some days the PWD will give the work to certain contractor to develop the road. Now how that cost of the work will be determined? That cost of the work will be determined only by the forecasting. And at that time, that contractor goes somewhere in the region that which road should be repaired. On that road, he goes and select a track nearly about 1 kilometer. He identify the number of repair spots and complete his calculation based on 1 kilometer. And then he implement that to total road for 5 kilometers or 20 kilometers, whatever may be. This is another example. Similarly, in human psychology, if you identify certain fellow which is a statistician, then according to my knowledge, in all colleges, the good assistant to principal is a statistics fellow. So that professor of statistics gives different ideas to solve each and every problem. Also, he has different status in the society. He has different status in his group, in his house also, in his family, because we are 6 brothers and 1 sister, a big family, well-educated family in Sangli district. My number is totally with sister sixth number, but I am the fellow. As a statistician, I can handle all total family decisions. Without my final approval, there is no any work will be possible without my decision. So this is the rule. So as a statistician, we can change your life. We can use simple techniques which we have studied. Now I am not going in details of that tools because the students before me may be from first year, second year or third year. So without going in the titles of the tools, I am talking in general. So such situation may be there. So statistics can help you to give immediate solutions in a difficult situation. What can we do? And hence, related to this subject, when you are opting computer science subject, to identify your problem, to think how to solve this problem, how to make an algorithm. So for that, your mindset can be changed due to this subject statistics. It is very useful to change the mindset. Really speaking, the job opportunities to the fellow having the computing based knowledge along with statistics is very high. the job opportunities are very high. And number of the district statistical officers, planning officers, they are either computer science students or of statistics students. And now in the today's situation, COVID-19, the number of research articles are published by the statistics fellow in which they have estimated in India what happens, up to what extent we have to extend the lockdown period. And according to that only, I repeat, our honorable Prime Minister is going to declare lockdown, first phase, second phase, third phase, fifth phase, like that. So the subject is very useful in each and every field. In each and every field. Actually, we feel that as a statistician, we are nothing to do in the life sciences, in the humanities, in the commerce. We may feel like that, but actually there is also very, very important roles of to work as a statistician. Simple things are there. Classification, then tabulation. Is there any relationship between two, or is there any relationship between two or more than three or more than variables? Is there any relationship between height, weight? Is there any relationship between the income capacity and the weight? Actually, there may not be such type of relation. We feel if income capacity is not there or income is not there, how can he eat different types of foods? So because of automatically his weight may be deteriorating. So this is the way that in different situation we have to use these statistics. W.A. Short in 1924 has discovered the control charts. The way one can say there is nothing in that control charts. But friends, the technique introduced at that time was very effective, because in any production system, the four M's are very important. One, manpower, then material, machines, management. One can change each and everything. If good management is not there, we can change it. If machines are faulty, we can replace them. If workers are not good, we can train them. If raw material is not proper, we can bring that raw material also good. But suppose all these four M's are good. Raw material is good, machines are newly purchased, workers are also talented and skilled workers are there, management is also good. Then also sometimes the product becomes quality.